Welcome to Grammar Practice Free English course on line 21. Today's grammar points. 2 modal verbs, may and will. Let's learn about 2 modal verbs. What is a modal verb? Modal verbs are very useful. They denote the mood of a verb, giving nuances, more subtle meanings to the statement. When to use may. A request or permission. May you pass me the salt? May I sit here? You may eat in here. Possibility. It may rain tomorrow. He may be right. I may not leave until Tuesday. Prohibition. You may not repeat this to him. You may not leave that there. You may not eat in here. A wish. May the new year bring you happiness. May you have a safe trip. May the force be with you. Star Wars quotation. May is very similar to the modal verb might. They can be interchanged as there is no significant difference in meaning between the two. Might implies a smaller chance of something happening when expressing possibility. It may snow, high chance. It might snow, lower chance. When to use will. A request. Will you help me with this? Won't you lend me the car? An offer. I will drive you home. We will help you with the move. A refusal. We won't accept these terms. I will not let you down. A conditional. If it snows, I will cancel the trip. I won't arrive on time if there is traffic. The modal verb will enables us to create the future simple tense, subject plus will plus verb plus object. I will leave tomorrow morning. I will learn English this year. I will learn, I'll learn. I will not learn, I won't learn. Will I learn, will I not learn, won't I learn? You will learn, you'll learn. You will not learn, you won't learn. Will you learn, will you not learn, won't you learn? He will learn, he'll learn. He will not learn, he won't learn. Will he learn, will he not learn, won't he learn? She will learn, she'll learn. She will not learn, she won't learn. Will she learn, will she not learn, won't she learn? It will learn, it'll learn. It will not learn, it won't learn. Will it learn, will it not learn, won't it learn? We will learn, we'll learn. We will not learn, we won't learn. Will we learn, will we not learn, won't we learn? You will learn, you'll learn. You will not learn, you won't learn. Will you learn, will you not learn, won't you learn? They will learn, they'll learn. They will not learn, they won't learn. Will they learn, will they not learn, won't they learn? That's it for today.